welcome to my lip care moment. So I got the sponsored item a few weeks ago. This is the sleeping mask that I have been loving. It is so good. I want to show you what it comes with. So the little pretty jar, love the color. Very strawberry looking, as strawberry as it gets. And there's a little silicone brush in there with the smaller end and the larger end to spread and also to get into the corners. Now, before I put my mask on, I usually exfoliate my lips. It is not a must, but I do like to do it. I use my little lip scrub. Put it on. And then I also use my lip brush just to make sure I get all of that skin off. I do this every night, you guys. And now that my lips are exfoliated and nice, I wash the scrub off and I move on to the fun part, to my night lip mask. So it is pink and nice inside. It is very rich and creamy, you guys. You're gonna see when I put on my lips. So you don't need a whole lot. So literally, this is like all you need. And you can use the brush. I'll be honest with you. I use the brush for a second there. And then I either just do lip against lip or use my finger. Look at how creamy it is and how little you need. This will last you forever. It smells amazing, like a really fresh strawberry, and it's gonna make your lips be so moisturized and feel so good in the morning. Must have in winter.